have studied division of indices with the same base. Now, today we are going to learn the index of the product or quotient of two numbers. The index of the product or quotient of two numbers For example, first here the index of the product of the two numbers. For example, is 2 into 3 raised to 4. It means multiply this 2 into 3 raised to 4. It means multiply 2 into 3. How many times? 4 times. Therefore 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Therefore multiply 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And multiply 3. How many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to, multiply 2. How many times? 4 times here. You have to write down in indices form. It means 2 raised to 4. This is the multiplication form. You have to write down this number in indices form. Therefore 2 raised to 4 into, similarly here also multiply 3. How many times? 4 times. You have to write down this number in indices form. Therefore 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4. That is the 2 into 3 bracket raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. It means if A and B are non-zero rational number, and m is an integer, then A into B raised to m is equal to A raised to m into B raised to m. Here separate indices of each term. Here separate means A raised to m into B raised to m. A and B are non-zero rational number. It means except 0. Means 1, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 4. These are the rational numbers. And m is an integer. Which one? Integers is positive and negative and 0 numbers is called integers number. Means m is 1, minus 1, 0. Then this type of number is called integer number. Therefore A into B raised to m is equal to A raised to m into B raised to m. If the index of the quotient of the two numbers, next point is the index of the quotient of two numbers. Quotient of the two numbers. For example, 4 upon 5 raised to 3. It means 4 upon 5 raised to 3. It means multiply 4 upon 5. How many times? 3 times. Therefore 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. Therefore is equal to multiplication of fraction. It means multiplication of numerator numbers and denominator numbers. The product of numerator is written in the numerator and denominator is written in the denominator. Therefore 4 into 4 into 4 upon 5 into 5 into 5. Therefore is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 is the multiplication form. You have to write down in indices form. It means 4 raised to cube. 4 raised to cube upon 5 into 5 into 5. Write down this multiplication form. Convert this multiplication form into indices form. Is 5 raised to 3. Means multiply 5. How many times? 3 times. Therefore if A and B are non-zero rational number and M is an integer means positive, negative and zero numbers is called integers, then A upon B raised to M is equal to A raised to M upon B raised to M. A raised to M. Here separate index of numerator and denominators number. For example, 3 upon 7 raised to 5 is equal to 3 upon 7 raised to 5. It means 3 raised to 5 upon 7 raised to 5. Here separate index number. Index number which one? 5. Here 5 is separate on numerator numbers and denominator numbers. Therefore law of indices is A upon B bracket raised to M is equal to A raised to M upon B raised to M is the law of indices. Law of indices, A upon B bracket raised to M is equal to A raised to M upon B raised to M. Here this law is used in this example. 3 upon 7 bracket raised to 5 is equal to 3 raised to 5 upon 7 raised to 5. Next law is, if A raised to M raised to N, if A raised to M raised to N, that is the power of a number, that is the power of a number in index form. This number M and N, this is the power of a number in index form. Power of number in index form means A raised to M raised to N. For example, if suppose 5 raised to 2 raised to 5, 5 raised to 2 raised to 5, it means in this example here power of number in index form, power of number in index form. Then here 5 raised to 2 raised to 5, it means 5 raised multiply 5 raised to 2 in how many times? 5 times, means 5 raised to 2 into 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 5 raised to 2, means multiply 5 raised to 2 how many times? 5 times. Therefore in multiplication of indices, law of indices, in multiplication of indices with the same base, in this number, all this number having same base, which one? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And which operation here? Multiplication. Wherefore, in multiplication of indices with the same base, there is addition of index number. Therefore, 5 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means add 2. How many times? 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Which law? When multiplication of indices with the same base, there is addition of index number. Therefore, 5 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means how many times add? 5 times add 2. Therefore, 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Therefore, 2 into 5 is 5 raised to 10. Add 2. How many times? 5 times. Therefore, 5 raised to 2 into 5. And 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 5 is 10. Therefore, the 5 raised to 2 raised to 5 is equal to 5 raised to 2 into 5 is equal to 5 raised to 10. 5 raised to 10. Therefore, here in general, if A is a non-zero rational number, if A is a non-zero rational number and m and n are integers, then A raised to m raised to n is equal to A raised to m into n, that is A raised to mn. This A raised to m into n you have to write down also in this way, A raised to mn. Here no sign, both these two terms mn having no sign, it means having multiplication sign. Law of indices. Law of indices. First law, see, if A is a non-zero numbers, if A is an non-zero numbers and m and n are integer, then first law we have seen. First law, A raised to m into A raised to n is equal to, means multiplication of indices with the same base. Here base is same, A. In multiplication of indices with the same base, there is addition of index number. Therefore, A raised to m plus n. The next law is in division of indices with the same base. In a division of indices with same base, there is subtraction of index number. If A raised to m divided by A raised to n is equal to A raised to m minus n. Then third law is if A raised to 1, if the index number is 1, then its value is always itself A. For example, if 5 raised to 1, it means multiply 5. How many times? 1 times 5 into 1 and having value is 5. Therefore, A raised to 1, if index number is 1, then having value is itself, means A raised to 1 is equal to A. 5 raised to 1 means multiply 5. How many times? 1 times 5 into 1 is 5. Next example, 6 raised to 1 is equal to 6 into 1, having value is 6. Then fourth law is A raised to 0 is equal to, having value is 1. A raised to 0. If the index number is 0 of any constant number, For example, 5 raised to 0 having value is 1. If the index number is 0, any constant number, then its value is always 1. Therefore, the a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Fifth law is, if a raised to minus m, meaning of a raised to minus m, is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. 1 upon a raised to m. This meaning also learn. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. For example, if 3 raised to minus 5 is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to 5. 1 upon 3 raised to 5. Sixth law is, if a b raised to m, it means a into b raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. A raised to m into b raised to m. It means the index of the product of the two numbers. This law is index of the product of the two numbers. Next, seventh is, a upon b raised to m, a upon b bracket raised to m is equal to a raised to m upon b raised to m. It means the index of the quotient of the two numbers. Index of the quotient of the two numbers. Then next law is, a raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n or a raised to mn. This number is also written in this way, a raised to mn. And last law is, if a upon b raised to minus m, if the index number is a negative number, a upon b raised to minus m, then write down the base having multiplicative inverse. A upon b having multiplicative inverse is b upon a. Multiplicative inverse means there is an interchange between numerator and denominator numbers. Therefore, a upon b having multiplicative inverse is b upon a, and raised to plus m. Here minus sign is removed. Why? Because you have to write down its multiplicative inverse. A upon b is equal to b upon a. Here write down multiplicative inverse. A upon b is equal to b upon a raised to m. For example, suppose 5 upon 3 raised to minus 2 is equal to, there is interchange between numerator and denominator numbers. Means 5 upon 3, you have to write down its multiplicative inverse. Its multiplicative inverse is 3 upon 5. And this minus index number is removed. Will be changed plus 2. 5 upon 3 raised to minus 3 is equal to 3 upon 5. Means there is, here write down its multiplicative inverse. 5 upon 3 having multiplicative inverse is 3 upon 5 raised to 2. Here minus sign is removed. Practice set. (29). First question is simplify. First question is simplify. In square bracket, inside the bracket, 15 upon 12 raised to 3 bracket raised to 4. Here which law is used? A raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. This law is used here. Therefore, 15 upon 12 raised to 3 into 4 is equal to 15 upon 12 raised to 3 into 4 is 12. Second example is 3 raised to 4 raised to minus 2. Here also same law use. A raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Therefore 3 raised to 4 into minus 2. Both these two numbers having different sign. Product of different sign is always negative. Therefore 3 raised to minus 8. 3 raised to minus 8. Then again, if the index number is a negative numbers, means a raised to minus m is equal to law of a raised to minus m is 1 upon a raised to m. Similar, here this law is used. Therefore 1 upon 3 raised to 8. This law used here. 1 upon 3 raised to 8. Second question, write the following number. Write the following number using positive indices. First example is 2 upon 7 raised to minus 2. Here index number is a negative number. Here write down the following this number using positive indices. Therefore law of indices, which one? A upon b bracket raised to minus m is equal to, write down its multiplicative inverse. A upon b having multiplicative inverse is b upon a raised to m. Here index number is positive. We get index number is positive. Similarly here this law is used here. Therefore 2 upon 7 bracket raised to minus 2 is equal to 2 upon 7 having multiplicative inverse is 7 upon 2 bracket raised to 2. Second example, 11 upon 3 bracket raised to minus 5 is equal to, write down its multiplicative inverse. 11 upon 3 having multiplicative inverse is 3 upon 11 raised to 5. Here index number get positive because here write down its multiplicative inverse. 11 upon 3 having multiplicative inverse is 3 upon 11 and having index number is 5. Therefore 3 upon 11 raised to 5.